Hello, everyone. Welcome to yet another episode of Motomoku. Today is a short video in which I will be riding to Qudra Lakes with my good friend Nitin, who I met with on a recent drive with Bad Monkeys Motorcycle Club. He messaged me next day that he wants to visit Qudra and do some off-roading around Qudra Lakes and do this off-road which goes to Dubailand Road. So I said, why not? So we started off early in the morning at around 8 a.m. at Town Square. Then we rode off to Qudra. I had set up my Insta360 to record the video, and midway I realized that my camera has fallen off or was about to fall off as I was trying some new mounts. I will give a review of those in another upcoming video. So I had to stop by and fix the camera again. So this was the stopover. You can also see my helmet mounted brakes. These I ordered from US and just to add some safety to my rides. As you can see, these lights are on mostly and they have different type of settings. But when you accelerate or brake, these lights turn on, so it gives traffic on your back a warning that somebody is stopping in front. I really love them. So we went around Qudra Lakes, stopped over at some place to watch the birds. Very, very good facility. There were campers all around. They have toilet and other facilities as well at Qudra Lake. And then we started off again, did some off-road. I did slip a couple of times, did not fall, fortunately, but I was very shaky. According to Nitin, it was a beginner's one, but I thought it was a bit difficult. Wherever sand came, I wasn't very confident. Anyway, took around, you can see the whole journey, and finally we finished our ride, turned back and went on our merry ways to our respective homes. It was a good ride, beautiful lake, beautiful surroundings, wonderful camping facilities. I hope you liked it.